Welcome to my channel. How to connect Wi-Fi extender to router. 1. Plug in the extender. Place the Wi-Fi extender into a wall socket close to the main router. This ensures a strong signal during the setup process and avoids unnecessary connection failures. 2. Wait for the power light. Allow the extender's power light to stabilize. Most models blink for a short period before turning solid, which indicates the device is ready for configuration. 3. Open Wi-Fi settings. On a phone or computer, open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the extender's default network name, which often includes words like ext or setup. 4. Connect to extender network. Select the extender's default network and connect. Internet access may not work at this stage, which is completely normal. 5. Go to Setup page. Open a web browser and type the setup address into the URL bar. Common addresses include 192.168.0.1 or mywifi.ext.net, depending on the brand. 6. Log in to setup. Enter the default username and password to access the setup portal. Many extenders use admin for both fields unless these details have been changed previously. 7. Choose the router Wi-Fi. Once inside the portal, select the main router's Wi-Fi network from the list of available connections. 8. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type in the exact password for the chosen Wi-Fi network. Even a small mistake can cause the extender to fail, so accuracy is important here. 9. Save settings and reboot. After confirming the details, allow the extender to save and restart. This usually takes around 30 to 60 seconds while the lights reset. 10. Find the extended network. Check the Wi-Fi list again to find the extended network. Some models keep the same name as the main router, while others add _ext or a similar suffix. 11. Test the connection. Connect to the extended network and test by browsing or streaming. A stable and stronger signal indicates the setup worked successfully. 12. Move the extender to a better spot. Relocate the extender to a position halfway between the main router and the weak signal area. Once powered on, it should boost coverage in the dead zone. Thanks for watching.